Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn SQL from W3Schools. To begin your SQL journey, navigate to the W3Schools SQL tutorial homepage. This platform offers an excellent interactive, try-it-yourself editor, allowing you to practice code directly in your browser. Take one moment to explore the basic structure of SQL statements and commands. Familiarize yourself with the navigation menu on the left, which guides you through various topics. Next, focus on mastering the core SQL commands. You'll learn essential operations like select for retrieving data, update for modifying records, insert into for adding new entries, and delete for removing them. Practice filtering your data effectively using the where clause, employing various operators. Also, understand how to sort your results with order by and utilize powerful aggregate functions like count and AVG. Once you've grasped the basics, it's time to explore more advanced SQL concepts. Dive into SQL join, which are crucial for combining data from multiple tables. Understand the distinctions between inner, left, right, and full join. You should also learn about SQL subqueries for more complex data retrieval tasks. Additionally, explore views, stored procedures, and functions to enhance your database efficiency and organization. Consistent practice is key to solidifying your SQL knowledge. Regularly work through the exercises provided within the W3Schools tutorial. Challenge yourself with the interactive SQL quizzes to test your understanding and identify areas for improvement. Once confident, consider taking the W3Schools SQL certification exam to validate your skills. Finally, apply your newly acquired SQL expertise to real-world projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.